So I showed you the English version. Now I would like to show you the Japanese version. It's a small video, just pointing out the main functionality.
Oh, you prepared for translated in Japanese, right?
Yes, I also made an algorithm which I'll explain how it got how the English chatbot got converted into Japanese without doing much tedious work again.
Okay. Same video, right?
Actually, it's not clear. Yeah, now it's clear.
Same one, just you showed before.
Yeah, same, but it's just in Japanese.
In Japanese. You propose something for DHL?
Yeah, when I was 1 year back, I was in India. There was a competition for DHL to make
award something.
Yeah, it was a hackathon.
Award.
So we had to prepare a chatbot in 48 hours. So first we prepared in India, and then when we won in India, then then there was the competition in Asia, and then after we won in Asia, then we went to World Finals in Manchester.
Well done.
Yes.
How long does it take to create this system?
This system, the minimum viable product MVP, I created in 48 hours. But after that, the improvements and everything, the design, the videos, the presentation, it took almost around a month.
A month.
Yes.
A month.
Okay, so I showed you the two videos of the English and Japanese version. So first of all, I would like to tell you the contents of this presentation. First, I showed you the important links. Then there are three key features of this chatbot. The first is natural language processing. The second one is automatic package dimension detection, which I showed the video for. And the third one is quality design, because if your tech is very advanced but you don't have a quality design, nobody is going to use it, how good the technology is. Then I would like to tell you a little bit about my code quality and how I manage it, and how it is scalable to millions of customers in no time. And then my database structure.
What does it mean, first line, natural language processing? What does it mean?
Natural language processing means, because computer works on binary, which is zeros and ones. If I say my name is Vishruth, and I say Vishruth is my name, it's different for a computer. Computer can't understand that I am trying to say the same thing. So we have to write a lot of algorithms. We have to collect data which will transform the information into the same binary, so that computer can understand, yes, you're trying to say this. So that's why we use this is a very advanced technology, natural language processing. It uses deep learning, AI, machine learning, recurrent neural networks, a lot of things.
What is the second line? Automatic package.
I mean, with this
Are you going to explain by each line?
Yes, each line after this. So the first thing, what my important links for this presentation are. First, my chatbot is made on Messenger. So this is Messenger link. After this, we because I made this application and we were ought to do many changes every day. So if we make changes in our code, there are chances that our code breaks and the chatbot stops. So to encounter that problem, we made an automatic testing service integration, which is called Travis CI. This means Travis Continuous Integration. This service helps us to check our code is working or not, because whenever we make any changes and then we push our code onto the server, first it goes through Travis CI, and if Travis CI checks it and if it's working fine, then only it gets pushed to the server. Otherwise it will show, no, your code is not working, please check it, otherwise your chatbot will stop. The version control system.
Wait a minute, I still don't understand. What this mean? What is Travis CI? What it does?
Travis CI is a continuous integration testing service.
Oh, okay.
Automatic testing.
Okay.
So you don't have to test on your own before pushing your code to the server.
Okay.
You just push your code normally. First it goes to Travis.
Testing tool.
Yeah, testing tool.
Okay.
Automatic testing tool. So you have to write some predefined tests.
Okay. What is GitHub? What's the objective for using GitHub?
GitHub is a version control platform. It is
Okay.
It is used by almost every company in the face of this
version
world.
control, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
because no software can be made in just one time.
Right.
You have to make a lot of changes.
That's
It takes
right.
hundreds of tries to make one
That's
software work. So we need to control the versions of our system. Like if I made for this chatbot, I made around 374 versions on GitHub, because if in the new version my code breaks, I can just go back to the previous version. I don't have to make copies
I
of
understand.
374 chatbots on my laptop.
Okay.
Then I used YouTube to host my video, and then I wrote a little documentation to if someone wants to know about the code, how is it working. So there was
Just like you showed.
yes.
Just like you just showed now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the last documentation? What does it mean?
Documentation is because
Filing up?
it is almost like 2000 lines of code. So if I sell this to someone, they want to know that how the code is running, because their engineers will work on it. So
Code. Okay.
so this is the explanation of code, the functions and everything. Because if there's no documentation, these are just 2000 lines
By the
of
way,
code.
2000 code, just you showed DHS, video behind system. You have 2000 code.
Yes. So
Okay.
people, if someone wants to make any improvements, he should know how it is working. So
Right.
that's what documentation is.
Coded by Python.
Yes, Python.
Okay.
So I'll just I'll show you the tech stack fully.
Okay.
So I actually I was just sitting here right now, and I made a flowchart of to make it more explanatory, but I didn't get time to make it on computer, so I just have a picture of it on this laptop. So if that's not a problem, I can show you. It's on Skype. How to get the files? So,
I don't know. There is like a gallery.
What you want to do?
file. I just sent you this.
Yeah, this one.